Hello and welcome to this new video on the circle and pi.
Ancient civilizations already knew pi and referred to it as the constant of the circle.
The circle is an ancient symbol associated with wholeness, the sun, unity, an envelope, a sphere, a halo, but also with love, infinity, and above all, the cosmos. The compass is the ultimate symbol of the circle and of the quest for spiritual elevation. The circle and pi are deeply connected. Pi, the 16th letter of the Greek alphabet, comes from the word perimeter, and since the 18th century it has represented what was once called the constant of the circle. It is the ratio between a circle's circumference and its diameter, the diameter, of course, being twice the radius. But pi also appears in the relationship between the area of a circle and the square of its radius. Once again, it is a ratio rather than just a number, just like the square root of 2 and the square root of 3, which we explored in chapters 5 and 6. Pi is approximately 3.14159265358. It is also an irrational number. Ancient Greeks sometimes used it as 22/7, which equals about 3.1428. Other fractional approximations exist, such as 333 over 106, but especially 355 over 113, which is extremely accurate, 3.1415929. The simplest approximation to use remains 3.1416. Benjamin Lebeau discovered that the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 equals approximately 3.146, which provides a very fast geometric construction with an error of about 0.15%. Indeed, 1.4142 plus 1.732 equals 3.1462. In summary, if the diameter equals 1, the circumference equals pi. If the radius equals 1, the area equals pi square meters. Below you can see the diameter of a circle, then its construction using the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3, and finally, its true unfolded circumference. The error is minimal, wouldn't you agree? Around 0.2 millimeters if the initial diameter is 1 meter. For those seeking even greater precision, the perimeter of a right triangle with legs of 0.6 and 1.2 provides another excellent approximation, 3.14164. On a building 160 meters long, the error would be only 2 millimeters. We will return to this in Chapter 105 when exploring the squaring of the circle. Thank you for watching this video.
See you soon for more discoveries on our channel, Sacred Geometry.